Stop scrolling. What if I tell you that today your Java programs will finally start making decisions just like humans? Imagine creating programs that can decide whether a student is passed, whether a person can vote, or whether someone is eligible for a scholarship. That's exactly what we are learning today. Welcome back to day 4 of our 100 days Java challenge. Today we are learning conditional statements, one of the most important concepts in Java programming and technical interviews. Let's start with understanding what a conditional statement is. In real life, we make decisions every day. If it's raining, we carry an umbrella. If we are hungry, we eat food. Java programs also need to make decisions, and that's where conditional statements come in. And first, conditional statements allow a program to make decisions based on conditions. Real life examples are these: if it's raining, take an umbrella, and just like humans make decisions based on situations. Why do we need conditional statements? Without conditions, a program executes every statement sequentially. Using conditions, we can execute specific code only when a condition is true. For example, we have taken int a is equal to 20, and if a is greater than equals to 18, then it will print eligible for voting. If age is less than 18, it won't print. So that is if statement. The if statement executes a block of code only when the condition is true. Syntax: here we have if of condition and code. Here we have to mention output statements, that and all. And flow means condition. After first we need to check condition, then if it is true, it executes code. If false, skip code. For example, we need to take is, you can vote, it will print like this. And a positive number. Coming to if else statement, second one, used when there are two possible outcomes. It will have if statement and also else statement. If condition is true, then it will go to if block and executes if block. If condition is false, then it will go to else block and executes the else block. The condition is, after checking condition, if it is true, if block, if not, else block. Pass or fail. For example, program int marks are 40, marks greater than equals to 35, then it will print pass. If less than equals to 35, then it will print fail, like this. Even or nested if. Nested if means placing one if statement inside another if statement. If condition, again another if condition. Condition 1, condition 2. Real life example: to get a job, condition 1, degree completed. Again we need to check condition 2, interview cleared. Only if both conditions are satisfied, the candidate gets selected. For example, age equal to 22, boolean has license equals to true, age less than equals to 18, that means if has license. Again here if another if both conditions is satisfied, only it will go to system.out.println can drive. So it can drive. Student scholarship. Difference between if and if else means if condition used when action is needed only for true condition, and for if else used when both true and false cases must be handled. Practice problem is checking vote eligibility, finding largest number. Practice problem 3, that means checking positive or negative. And driver eligibility. These kind of things will help you to learn the Java conditional statements, that means if statements. If you are enjoying this challenge, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to She Codes. Let's continue our journey towards mastering Java one day at a time. Happy coding, happy learning.